Hey guys, this week on Hey Sabri, I'm answering raw designs questions. Hey Sabri, how do you craft an ad in Facebook that looks like an article for e-commerce? What can of value would you offer? Discount, free product? Thanks. Cool. Well, yeah, it's a great question. Most people that operate in the e-commerce space, they just want to come out the gate, start offering discounts and trying to sell their products straight from the get-go. But what is the purpose of an ad? The ad, you can't sell from the ad. No one can buy off it, right? We're not it's getting to that point soon. We're not there just yet. So the purpose of the ad is simply to get the click from, a buyer that is relevant to what it is that you have got on offer. Therefore, if the job of the ad is to get the click, then we need to write an ad that is designed to sell the click and not the product, right? So you want to think about, well, okay, this is the people that I'm targeting. What would be an irresistible piece of content for these people, right? Even if it's e-commerce, it doesn't matter. You've first got to get as many people clicked in. And then, if you're selling a product and you're going straight for the sale and there's no demonstration, there's no talking about, the features and the benefits of that and how it's going to help them in their life, then you're basically dead on arrival. So really what you want to do is have more of an advertorial style where you send someone through to a piece of content that delivers value and educates them and then makes your product pitch at the end of that advertorial. And then that people have come through and they've consumed that content, and then the whole remarketing funnel begins. Because if you look at where the ROAS is anyway on e-commerce campaigns, all the money is made on the retargeting. So you basically want to fill that funnel with as many people as possible. And the way that you do that is by writing ads that sell the click and don't sell the product. I hope that helps. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag heysabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.